You have great credit, but your spouse does not. How does a spouse's credit affect you? I'm Jerry Detweiler, the Union Credit Doctor, with another tip for healthy credit. Here's the good news. You and your spouse have separate credit files, and they don't have to affect one another at all. In fact, in most states, except community property states, you aren't even responsible for bills your husband or wife runs up on their own while you're married. But if you have any joint accounts or if you've co-signed for a loan, you're both equally responsible, and they will be reported on each of your credit reports. I do recommend that married persons have at least one credit card in their name only. Union members can apply for the Union Plus credit card. That will make things easier if something happens to your spouse. And if you know your partner isn't so good about managing money, then don't add him or her onto your credit cards. To get more tips for making your credit stronger, visit unionplus.org/credit education.